What the hell? I guess I'm being kicked out of here. Hey, welcome to a 30 days FPV challenge where I get to fly my drones every day. And you ask beginner FPV questions down in the video comments. So, being kicked out for flying FPV drone seems like a common topic, as having neighbors not so interested in FPV. Let's ride to the very city center so I can show you how to fly a drone without bothering anyone around. Hey, this seems like a cool neighborhood to rip. So yeah, the most common mistake is when people buy a powerful drone and only then find out that it is so stupidly loud. It wakes the whole neighborhood and draws all the unwanted attention. So if you want to buy even a 5-inch 6S racing or a freestyle drone, keep in mind it will be loud and annoying and will upset people around. So you will be forced to fly only in remote locations. Imagine if you bought a powerful racing car or a motocross bike. You would bring it to the track, have fun, and would not bother anyone, right? Or are you that idiot who races on the street? The exactly same thing with an FPV drone. Just don't fly on a street if you bought a powerful racing one. And this leads to the second solution. If you want to fly in your backyard or local park, then consider that when you are buying your new drone. Get the SUP 250 grams model, like this Signlock 25 I'm flying right now, and it's pretty much invisible and inaudible from only a few meters away. I have been flying this drone for over a year, and I haven't had a single issue with people complaining about flying me this model. Actually, they usually come to ask about this cute little drone. As those two men in the beginning of the video, they're just two of my neighbors asking how many drones do I have in total, cause they see me flying different models in the area. But let's continue to the city center, so I can show you the second, quotes, friendly drone. My favorite drone to fly around people is the Signlock 25 with Insta360 Go camera on top, and I have made this camera mount myself. Design links are in the video description if you are interested. This new version weighs only 3 grams, and it is way easier to put the camera in and out, as here I have an old design on my GepRC Smart 35 model, and this is the second friendly drone. The difference from Signlock is that Smart 35 is a drone for emulating a 5-inch freestyle build without the weight and noise, so you can practice your freestyle in the local park or your backyard if you want. But I will continue with the Signlock in this video, and I will show that it's pretty much an invisible drone. First, people just don't even see or hear it. And second, even if they notice the drone, they just ignore it, as it's so small, so cute, and non-threatening, unlike the screaming, powerful 5-inch model. This is why I love Signlock for shooting events and festivals. It is literally an invisible drone, which gives shots you would not be able to achieve with any other bigger model. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe for the next one, and if you have any questions about FPV, leave those in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow.